Do you see it? Hey everybody, Bekka here. I am at the Texas Visitor Center at the border of Louisiana and Texas, and surely we can't find beneficial plants out here, right? Wrong. Let's see what we can come up with. All that green right there, that is water plantain. Oh my goodness. Now that's too cool. That's the American alligator. I was looking for him. You see all that green that surrounds him? That is duckweed. And though that is an invasive species, it is an edible plant in the right circumstances. There's Mr. Alligator. We have the wax myrtle. Right there. There's the blue iris. The number one feature is the bald cypress. All of those plants, those are bald cypress. And this is what the leaves look like. Of course, you can't forget the Spanish moss. Right here, that is mallow or marshmallow. Some people call it the swamp mallow. It's not blooming yet. But there's what its leaves look like. Do you see it? No, I'm not talking about the fish. I'm talking about the snake. So these herbs I have found just walking up a boardwalk that is a couple of hundred yards from a building. Can you imagine what is actually out in the swamp? So this is just another example of using herbs every day. I will talk to you again soon, and until then, get healthy, be happy, and herbal on. Bye.